Okay, came up with the new tool here. So when you're doing feature rings like this, you come up with little segments like this, you really can't cut it on the wedgie sled. So I came up with a miter saw solution for that. And what you do is you put it in one side, cut it, clamp it down, cut it, and then you move it over to the other side, clamp it and cut it. So I'll show you a couple cuts here. Just got to make sure you get it in there nice and square. Yep, so I made this little check guy here. You can see that it's nice and tight there. Yep, very nice cut. So I'll do a couple more here. All right, so now that you got them all cut, then you can make a ring like this. So this was made using this setup right here. You can see a nice, straight, tight fit here. So anyway, you can look at my website at segmentedturning.org and you'll see it there.